In this video, let's see how to interact with GPT-3 using API in Python. Let's install the module using pip install OpenAI. This will take some time to install. Okay, now let's import the OpenAI module. You need to get your API key from your account and mention that key in OpenAI.api key. Next, let's create a variable prompt to get the prompt from the user. You need to send the messages in this format as shown here. Let's create the messages. Let's create the system message. So this is where you instruct the system to act in a certain way. So here we are asking the AI to act as a helpful assistant. Next, we'll provide our user prompt. So we'll define role as user and the content is the prompt that we received from the user. Now let's define a variable called response to collect the response from the AI. Now as per OpenAI docs, let's use OpenAI.chatCompletion.create, and the model that we are going to use now is GPT-3.5-turbo, which is basically the ChatGPT, and then the messages which we created earlier, and that also includes the prompt. Let's print the response that we receive from the AI. This is how the typical response will look like, and we are extracting the part that we are interested in, which is in choices, message, and then the content. So let's extract that. Okay, now let's run that Python and then the file name. So let's say hello. So here is the response from ChatGPT. So this basically used the API to get the response. Let's ask another one. What is the circumference of the moon? We received some response. You see that everything is in black and white. So let's introduce colors. We'll use Colorama module. Here is the link for the YouTube Shorts video on it. Let's import the module Colorama. We use the for class to change the color of the text. Let's use green for the user prompt. And we'll use red for the ChatGPT response. Okay, let's run it. Python and then the file name. You can already see it is in green color. Let's say greetings. Okay, the response is not in red. Okay, that's because these are not in the within the double quotes. Let's change that. And don't forget the curly braces. Okay, let's try again. Python and then the file name. So say greetings. Here's the response in red. Okay, it seems to be working fine. Let's try another. What is the circumference of the Earth? Right, give us some output in red. That's fine. That is all for this video. In the next video, let's see how to use the infinite loop to keep the prompts and the responses going instead of initiating the program every time. And we also look at the token usage, and we'll also store the API key in a secure way rather than exposing it in a plain text. And we also use the SQL DB to store these chats to maintain the chat history. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.